Hey there, friendlies. It is late at night, and I'm getting up early in the morning, so I probably shouldn't be drinking tea. But hey, I'm just a rebel. So what I'm doing tonight is I'm packing up some stuff for a trip, a day trip, but still a trip, into the woods that I'm taking tomorrow with Serge, who you guys have seen while we were restoring his axe. It's also going to be the first trip out for the Hidden Woodsman Day Rock Scout. It's a little 15-liter backpack. Should be pretty good for an afternoon's excursion, a one-day excursion. I'm packing it pretty full, though. I'm not going to show you because by the time you see this video, if tomorrow goes the way I plan, I'll have done a loadout video as well. I'll see if I have time to buzz this before bed tonight. I don't know. I don't think I look very photogenic, mediagenic, videogenic at all. I don't know. We'll see if I have time. Tea is a good drink. So yeah, I'm going to finish packing, then I'm going to go to bed, then I'm going to get up, then maybe I'll shoot a little loadout video. Then I'm going to pack up a car, then I'm going to drive out, then I'm going to do a little woods time. Then I'm probably going to go home and go to bed again. So, let's get started. I'm going to try something here. I'm going to try to make my ridge line from bank line instead of paracord. Now here's the thing. This is our first time scouting out this piece of land, and boop. Hi guys. Where was I? Yeah, this is our first time scouting out this piece of land, and there are a couple of things. Like, if we do come back a lot, then what we'll probably do is scout a little further.
Stakes go nice easy.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, and I think that's it's gonna be a good enough spot there. Still got 3 logs. Did I see a stump somewhere? Funny, I thought I saw a stump.
Look around, let's get rid of some of these. Yeah. You don't want anything that can be in your way.
Well, they had a few that was going like right overhead that I already got rid of.
Is that good enough?
Yeah.
Let's get rid of this too. Yep, that works. That's the sound of a big old log out here?
That is indeed the sound of a big old log. Not bad for
That's a good strike.
I got 2 pieces. There you go. Oh, yeah.
Did that light? Come on. Why is my
Focus elsewhere.
weird, eh?
Yeah.
So since we don't have any grass, I'm just gonna try with these and hope for the best. Oh, there's some grass and it's wet. Actually, you know what? Let's lay those down. Put this on top so there's a little bit of airflow underneath. And then do this and this. Like, there's no hurry, right? Because it's not burning that fast. I brought along some shavings from the tool known as the plane.
Good man.
I agree that I'm a good man. Let's see here. If this works, it'll be a miracle.
There's your miracle.
There it is.
How are your feet?
Wet. Damn it.
I just realized I got close to the fire. I'm like, wait, I'm wearing synthetics.
Yeah, you're wearing synthetics.
Yeah.
That's a no-no. Because if you got a spark on those, forget
Yeah.
about it. You're ruining a nice
North Face.
North Face jacket. That was hot. It's hot. Okay, good. I'm gonna clean up this stuff. Did you bring a knife with you?
Yep. I got my little.
No, but did you bring a bush
No,
knife?
I didn't. Yeah.
Wow, that's starting to spark already. I must have made a really good fire.
Ah, it's.
So the object here is to get some nice coals for cooking over because we're a couple of hungry boys. We got some stuff. We got some stuff. What you got?
We got this.
2 Y shapes and a cross piece. Nice.
And yeah.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What we're doing right now is we've realized that we haven't been able to find anything to prop my little tiny cooking grill on. So 2 Y-shaped sticks, 1 cross piece. We're going to drape our bacon over it. Do it old-fashioned style. Oh yeah. How we doing?
I'm doing well.
Cool. Oh, I'm liking this knife.
Which one's that one?
This is the Felkniven.
Ah.
The F1. The F1 Magic. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I think that should be a good enough point. What do you think, huh?
I think that's a pretty
I
good
think so,
point.
huh?
Yeah.
It's a little bit squarish at the end, but
I think it'll be fine.
I think it's gonna be fine too.
My opinion is that we did a good job on that axe.
Yeah. Do nothing, so it was my bare hands.
Yeah.
And then we went to eat after. I washed my hands, but I didn't really wash well behind my hands.
Okay, so still punky.
Yeah, so I'm like eating my burger. I'm like, my burger tastes funny.
Yuck. Oh, my eyes. Mein Augen. Is that standing?
Yeah, it's standing.
Okay.
I was about to
Oh,
help, but you got it. Oh no!
don't kick the bacon. So that goes like that. And then we fill the water, the tea thing. Oh, never mind. We put water in the thing. I brought a tea towel. This way we can have tea with our BLTs. BLT and tea.
So BLTT.
BLTT.
Sure.
Let's hope it doesn't bounce. Okay, we're good. No, okay, we're good.
Everything was calculated.
Everything. Down to the last millimeter.
Yeah.
Boom, food prep knife. Ooh, it's getting a little patina going on. I'm gonna have to oil that baby up. These buns are soft, man.
Yeah. Probably would have had less issues with something serrated.
Or bagels.
No.
But like true bagels,
Yeah,
not
real bagels, but no, we didn't have time for that.
Yeah. Okay, here's one. We're making what, 4?
Yeah. I guess we could have 6 if you're really hungry, but
I don't know if we have enough bacon for 6. That's the problem.
No,
I could
I
eat
don't
3. Let me tell you. Right, I'm so hungry I could eat a skunk's ass. Okay.
do you really want to?
No. Yeah, check out the patina on that. Looky there. I don't actually have a problem with the patina, but because I didn't mean to put it on there, I'm gonna fix that up when I get home tonight.
Yeah. So for a food prepping knife, you don't want rust,
Fair point.
Unless you had your tetanus shots.
Believe me, I've had my tetanus shots. I want to tell you about the events in my life that have led to me getting my tetanus shots, but I've had one very recently. Little slices. Oops. Tabernacle. Ah!
35-second rule.
Okay. We each got 2 breads. We're each going to take some back home. Some tomato slices. Oh, and
Lettuce.
lettuce. A little Boston lettuce. Lettuce each. That was
horrible.
It was like a dad joke. So how are we going
All
to
right.
get that bacon off without singeing our little fingers? Right. So, how many slices do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
So 3 each.
3 each. Okay.
That's perfect.
3 per bread. 49-second rule.
You want the chunky ones?
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
All right.
It's fine.
I'll give you chunkies.
Chunky. Chunky cold Medina.
It's a big old piece.
That's a big old piece.
Big old
Look at that. Look at that. Just eat like that, or you want a slice of lettuce on there? It's not a slice of lettuce. You don't get a slice of lettuce. So, in true Raindance fashion, we're having beer. Also in true Raindance fashion, I forgot to bring a bottle opener.
Yes, you do.
In true Raindance fashion, we're having beer. I'm having the Saint Barnabé Dry Stout. Is that going to be in by Le Naufrageur, which is in Carleton-sur-Mer, Quebec. It is a stout, because I like me some stout. 5.2%, straight up normal, and it's a 500 ml. For God's sakes, let's not lose track of where these go.
Okay.
It's okay. My hands are cold, actually. Should be doing this with gloves on.
Glove. Oh! Poppy to pop.
Hold that. Okay, I found it. We're gonna put it in the garbage.
Yeah. Do we have an official garbage yet?
Yeah, it's right here.
Oh, awesome.
Oh, am I doing this?
Yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
Come on. I just embarrassed myself on camera.
That's
You want
right.
me to do it again?
Well, tell them what the beer is.
Oh, yeah. And so Serge is having La Bonne Aventure Amber Ale by Pit Caribou. 500 mils, of course, and it's a straight up 5%. And by the way, I really like this beer.
Oh, yeah, you've had this one
Oh,
before?
yeah. Are you kidding?
Oh,
I have it
good,
every
good,
chance
good.
I can. This is not a very good spine for this, by the way. It's not ground or anything. Oh, it's so difficult. Oh, there we go.
You got it. Almost.
Cibolac.
Almost.
Oh, I think I may need my gloves.
These ones? Oh, every time I come to pick them up. So there we go.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Here's to being in the woods. That's good.
Yes. Yes.
That's good. Holy cow.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Not very good, though, because we haven't eaten in a while.
Yeah.
So this is gonna go straight.
We're gonna eat. Yeah. We're gonna
straight into our blood.
Yeah. I will put that in, and then I will take this off the heat, so that we will have a tea after our
Beers.
After our beers and our sandwiches. All right. So, I guess. Well, hold on.
Test this out. See if it's any good. I hope so.
Oh. Hell yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Even charred, it's so good.
Yep. Oh. We got a little brewski action. We got bacon sandwiches. There's a tea there for later. So I guess we'll call it a day. We're just gonna eat, have our tea, clean up, and go home. So as I always say, if you like what I'm doing here, then please get the conversation started down below. This week, what I'd like to know is more outdoor bacon videos or more axe restoration videos. What do you want to see? Aside from that, please share the video. That helps me a lot. If you're not subscribed, then please subscribe. If you are subscribed, hit that little bell and leave me a smiley thumb. If you don't like what I'm doing, leave me a frowny thumb. Thanks for watching, guys.